Hello, good morning to everybody. In the last period, we see the topic of metal, non-metals, and metalloids. Okay, so I hope everybody understood that topic. So next topic is the symbol of element. Okay, symbol of element. So we discuss about the elements. Okay, elements are the present in the natures. Okay, and for that any elements, for recognize that elements, we have to use some symbols. Okay, so the symbol of chemical elements are the abbreviation that are used to denote the chemical elements. Okay, means symbols are used to denote the chemical elements. उसको डिनोट करने के लिए उसको सिंबल्स यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो सी each element each element is denoted by symbol which is usually the first letter of its name in English or Latin, written in capital. See, symbol is always denoted by the first letter of the its name. Okay, मीन्स जो नेम रहता है एक एलिमेंट्स के, उसकी फर्स्ट लेटर्स इज यूज एज अ सिंबल टू डिनोट इट. Okay, so it may be in English or in Latin word, and that symbol always written in the capital letter, always written in capitals letter. So example, see, oxygen. Oxygen is an element which is denoted by the symbol capital O. Oxygen, oxygen is the one type of most important element that are generally present in the air also, and these oxygens are is denoted by the symbol capital O. Similarly, hydrogen is denoted by the symbol H. Hydrogen, see, hydrogen spelling HYDROGEN. So their first letter is used to denote it. Like in oxygen also, their O, oxygen, that O is used to denote the oxygen. Okay, so however, when the first letter of more than one element is same, the elements are denoted by two letters. देखो अभी, if the first letter is more than वन एलिमेंट इज सेम, मीन्स एक एलिमेंट से ज़्यादा अगर फर्स्ट लेटर सेम हो तो इस सेंटेंस में क्या करोगे, एलिमेंट्स आर डिनोटेड बाय टू लेटर्स. ओके, दीज आर डिनोटेड बाय द टू लेटर्स. मीन्स अगर फर्स्ट सपोज सी कॉपर एंड कोबाल्ट, एग्जाम्पल्स हम देखेंगे उसका, कॉपर एंड cobalt. So carbon and cobalt and coppers are three such elements. देखो ये थ्री एलिमेंट्स है, उसकी फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है, सी. हियर सी in cobalt, C, copper, C. So in that three element, the first letter is same, that is capital C. So how you have to find out which letter is used for which elements? So for that, in that case, the first two letters are used to denote it. See, generally in carbon, capital C is used. Okay, capital C is used in carbon. But in cobalt and copper, that first two letters are used. Okay, CO for copper and Cu. Okay, sorry, cobalt is denoted by letter CO and copper is denoted by Cu. Okay, are three such element whose first letter is same, that is C. So thus carbon is denoted by symbol C and cobalt is denoted by the two letters CO. Okay, and copper is denoted by the Cu. Okay, Cu. So दिस टेकन फ्रॉम इट्स लैटिन नेम क्यूप्रम। सी ओ, अभी आप बोलोगे मैडम यहाँ भी सी ओ है, यहाँ भी सी है, बट द नेम ऑफ द कॉपर इज टेकन फ्रॉम इट्स लैटिन नेम, दैट्स द क्यूप्रम। कॉपर का लैटिन नेम क्या है? क्यूप्रम। सो दैट सी यू इज डिनोटेड फॉर द कॉपर। ये जो सी यू है वो डिनोट करता है कॉपर का सिम्बॉल्स। ओके, सो दिस symbol also represent an atom of that elements. So do you understood that points, symbols of elements? See in these charts the some name of the elements are given and their symbols. See, hydrogen is denoted by H, helium He. Why their two letters are indicate? Because see, H also symbol of the hydrogen. So for helium He, that two letters are used. Lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Ne, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, calcium Ca. Okay, so these are the symbols of the some elements, first 20 elements. Okay, so you should learn that symbol. ये आपको 20 एलिमेंट्स, फर्स्ट 20 एलिमेंट्स का सिम्बॉल्स पता ही होने चाहिए. ओके, इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो टुडे you draw this chart. Okay, write the charts in your book properly. Okay, their name and symbol. So you know that arrangement of that elements, okay, systematic arrangement is given in the periodic table. Okay, so periodic table, what the periodic table? Periodic table is a systematic arrangement of element in a tabular form for their convenient study. उसका स्टडी के लिए पीरियोडिक टेबल्स हम यूज़ करते हैं. पीरियोडिक टेबल्स कैसे? जैसे कि देखो आपके रोल नंबर्स रहते हैं 1 2 3 4 5. ओके, सो लाइक दैट एलिमेंट्स हैव आल्सो सम नंबर्स, दैट्स कॉल्ड एटॉमिक नंबर. Okay, so these are arranged according to their atomic numbers in the periodic table. Okay, so these charts you have to draw in your book and learn that chart. So see, next point, common element. So some common elements are present in the nature. Okay, so see, in the universe hydrogen and helium are the two most common element. यूनिवर्स में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स है? हाइड्रोजन एंड हेलियम. इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट ऑक्सीजन इज इन ग्रेटेस्ट अमाउंट फॉलोड बाय द सिलिकॉन, एल्यूमिनियम एंड आयरन. इन अर्थ क्रस्ट देयर इज द सिलिकॉन, एल्यूमिनियम एंड आयरन is the greatest amount are present. In the atmosphere, you know, in atmosphere which nitrogen is the most abundant element. इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी, अपने बॉडीज में एलिमेंट्स रहते हैं. सो कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन आर द मोस्ट कॉमन एलिमेंट बिकॉज दे मेक अप द डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स in all the body cells. In our bodies, there the number of the cells are present, and this carbon, hydrogen and oxygens is used to make up the different compounds in our bodies to make their functions properly. Okay, so see, do here our elements topics are finished. So in the next period we start about the compounds. Okay, so first you learn that symbols, then you can easily understood about the compounds. Okay, bye.